Main road shops. Following the initial settlement on Gardner Hill, businesses and services moved down the hill to Southbourne and Main Street in the early 1900s. These businesses were either destroyed by fires or moved to be closer to the railway station, creating a new commercial centre. Imagine this once thriving area consisting of numerous shops, services and clubs, many of which were run by the women in the town, particularly during war times. Businesses often changed their positions in town due to new ownership, better and more strategic locations closer to transport routes, rebuilding after fires, increasing the range of merchandise, and providing a greater range of shops and services to support the growing community. With the railway station on the left, most businesses were situated on the south side of Main Street. The range of shops included Ted Flegg, Saddler, the bakery owned by the Youngs from 1908, Mackenzie's, 1923, and then Allen's, 1962 to 1984, Robinson General Store, Fruiteria and Confectionery, 1909, with saddlery added in 1929, and later to include a news agency run by Annie Depler, the Beech Forest Butter Factory and Manager's Residence, Rush's A&A Dining Room, Fry's Store, Margaret Parrott's Greengrocer and Confectionery and Tea Rooms, which was formerly the Butcher Shop, the Beech Forest Club, Mackenzie's Baker Shop, Hancock's Hay Store, Luke and Sons Blacksmith from 1909 to 1918, the Butcher Shop run by Wrights in 1902, and Robbins until 1961, and the Depler family, all ensuring the town was well serviced. Images on this sign include the Main Street shops in 1923, Beech Forest Club official opening 1916, and a photograph of Main Street under snow, Fry's and Ma Rush's A&A Dining Room in 1923.